So hey guys, I hope you're well. I've been taking a little break here in the garage with Blitzen because I've been doing the finishing shingle job on my shed, on my barn. I had 2 rows on each side to do at the top, and since last spring I've been terrified to go up there, man, because my ladder's too short. So I'm just sitting here taking a well-deserved break. And I got to thinking, man, look at the negative sign preceding the zeros. See how it's on about 50% of the time? Now, sorry for the babble, guys. You may bail without hurting my feelings. I used to maintain a fleet of Airshields C100 isolates at Hurley Medical Center. You probably would think of it as an incubator. But I think typically incubation refers to the gestation period, such as a baby in a woman's womb or a chicken forming inside the eggshell, right? So the baby is still maturing while living in the isolate, but he'll continue to do so until the late teens, early 20s, when he enters a state of physical decline, such as myself and baby boy here. Now, I'm sorry, let me hit the autofocus button. And I used to, when calibrating, the isolate was a model C100. The controller was a model C68. It had dual temperature displays, and it used the chip was an Intersil ICL7107 CPL. Damn. The ICL7106 CPL is the LCD version. The '07 CPL is the LED version, right? And when calibrating the damn thing, if you unplug the probe, you'd get a probe alert and a super annoying alarm for obvious reasons. Now I could disable that and make it read this with no probe attached. And when calibrating the display, the temperature display, I would I demanded something. I demanded that negative sign be bobbling at about a 50% duty cycle, and that it would also display 40 degrees Celsius at the top end. It must do both, display 40.0 degrees, and when I unplug the probe with the alarm disabled, it must bobble the negative sign. That negative sign tells me that with 0 voltage input, and that's what your temperature display is. The thermistor, the temperature probe, forms a voltage divider, and that's fed to the input of this temperature. The Intersil ICL7106/07 CPL. It's not a thermometer; it's a voltmeter. It's a 3.5 digit voltmeter. 3-digit voltmeter, right? So, anyway, if it couldn't meet those 2 conditions, a true 0 with no input and perfect accuracy at its top end, that chip was out of there. If anyone wants any ICL 7106 or 7107 CPL voltmeter chips, let me know. I'll send you one. Send you a couple. But I digress. Babble time over. Man, one more ascent up Mount Barneus. Now, I don't know if you can see this. The ladder wasn't tall enough for me to be able to climb on the roof. So I backed Jed up to the shed, stuck the ladder in Mr. Brindley, and it's worked gloriously. One more ascent up Mount Barneus, and I'll be done. Come on, Bob. Hopefully I'll see you later. 73, be well. And thanks for putting up my babblage. Is he not beautiful? He's starting to lose weight. And he's starting to chase down squirrels like a maniac again. 73.